welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I will be showing you how to draw a pusheen holding a cupcake. It is so cute. So the first thing you're going to want to do is subscribe and ring the bell. And please like the video if you love my how to draw videos. I make so many more. And if I see a pusheen I like, I draw it out for everyone. And write in the comments if you have any pusheens you have in mind. I'll look them up and draw them for you. But I will only pick a few of you. There's a lot of comments if you guys like this video. Okay, the first step is Sorry, I went to space for there for a second. The first thing you're going to want to do is draw the ears. Then you're going to go down and down. Now, she's actually standing up here. Now, there we go. We will add her color now. Like so. And then we'll do the easy part. Making these headpieces. I keep going over the line. Oh, that time I almost did it. I did a little, so that's why I'm doing this. Perfect-ish. Then we're going to color it in with the darkest black I have. That isn't that dark. Now we're going to add the cupcake. Now you're always going to want to do a skin color for the wrappers. It just looks good. See? Almost. Perfect. Then we are going to add these. Perfect. Well, this is actually the frosting. You guys might do a better job than me because I'm horrible at drawing frosting, but it will look pretty cute at the end if you sew the color. Now, what we draw her doing is that. Now, if you guys, like I said, if you guys have any art suggestions, then just comment down below, because I read all your comments. I love comments. One time someone commented just straight up good job, and it freaked me out, and that made the rest of my day. Like, I'm serious right now. One comment makes my day. But yes, if it's negative, then I'm gonna block you. Sorry. Okay. Now, ta-da! Now let me add, now if you guys want to, you can add pink ears, but it does, pusheen never does pink ears, never, but sometimes I do, because it's pretty cute. Now, in this one, I don't usually do bean toast, but she's sitting down in this one. There's differences of when she's sitting down and when she's not sitting down. If you guys have a cat, I bet I did a pretty good job with this because I have a few cats per se. There we go. Bean, bean, bean. Perfect! Then we're going to color in those beans. And then the other side. These beans are too small. I need to color them in myself. Bean 1, bean 2, bean 3, You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and color them all in. Bean 4, bean 5, bean 6, bean 7. You know, it's so funny because bean toes are so cute. Well, thanks guys for watching. See you later.